Hey, I'm Carrie.
Hi, I'm Jessie.
And this is our dance. Shit. Can you start it again?
Yep, we can start it as many times as you want.
Dance. Should we do it again?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because we both went, hey.
Hey, I'm Carrie Mouse.
Oh, and I'm Jessie.
And this is one more time.
You're like, hey, I'm Carrie Mouse, and I was doing this.
It's okay.
I'm just hanging out in your video.
It's all right. Ready? Are we good?
Hang
Can we
on.
start over? Like
Yep.
outside of 2 circles. And we'll walk around the circle for our shuffles, weaving in and out. Let's try to show that with just 2 people. Here we go. Check out our demo video if you want to see it in real life action. All right, 7, 8, right foot. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3.
Sorry.
Oh, that was amazing.
Did you go that one? And see.
Okay, so when we do the short beat, we're gonna walk. Stop it.
Sorry. Wait. You need to look at me to see if we're gonna laugh.
There is a tag after he says. What does he say?
You're a psycho.
You're a psycho wiener. And then he says, let me grab my beater. So, cut.
Can we do that one more time?